If you're looking to add a long and detailed bio to your Instagram profile but aren't sure how, you're in the right place. Today we'll guide you through the steps to create an eye-catching and informative Instagram bio. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, click on Edit Profile, which is located just below your profile picture and username. Now you'll see several fields you can edit. Look for the Bio section. This is where you can enter your Instagram bio. To create a long bio, you can simply type out your text in this field. Instagram allows up to 150 characters in your bio, but you can use line breaks and emojis to make it more engaging and readable. If you want to include more information than what it fits in the 150 character limit, you can use tools or services like link in bio tools that let you create a landing page with more details and link to it from your Instagram bio. To use a link in bio tool, sign up for one of these services, creating a landing page with all the details you want to share, and then copy the link provided. Go back to your Instagram bio section and paste the link into the website field. You can then use your bio to direct followers to link to this link for more information. After adding your text, click on Done or Save in the top right corner to update your profile, and that's it. You've successfully added a long and detailed bio to your Instagram profile.